If the coordinates of the point P are 1, -1 and 2, and PQ vector is given by 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, then obtain the coordinates of the point Q. Okay, let us begin. Let's quickly try to understand the problem graphically. So here we have a point P. P has got the coordinates 1, -1 and 2. We have another point Q. Now we need to determine the coordinates of that point Q. So we'll assume that it has got the coordinates x, y and z. Now let's join P and Q with the help of a directed line segment going from P to Q, and this gives us the vector PQ, and that vector PQ is also given to us. So using all this information, we need to obtain the coordinates of point Q. So let's note down the given information. So in this problem, we are given the vector PQ, which is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. And we are also going to consider the point Q having coordinates x, y and z. This implies that we can define PQ vector as the difference of the x coordinate times I cap added to difference of the y coordinate times j cap added to the difference of the z component times k cap. Now to find out the difference of the x coordinate, what we'll do, we'll since Q is the end point and P is the initial point, so we'll do the initial the final point minus the initial point. So that's going to give us x minus 1. And then we go to find out the difference of the y coordinate. So we'll do y minus -1. So that gives us y plus 1. And then the difference of the z coordinate will be z minus 2. So this is the vector PQ. However, that's given to us that PQ vector corresponds to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. This implies that 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So this is going to be equals to x minus 1 I cap added to y plus 1 j cap plus z minus 2 k cap. We can now compare both sides, and that's going to give us 3 equations. We have x minus 1 equals to 3, y plus 1 will be equals to 2, and then z plus 2, that will be equals to -1. So solving for x, y and z, so x is going to be equals to 4, y comes out to be equals to 1, and z comes out to be equals to 1. So therefore, we have successfully obtained the coordinates of the point Q. So therefore, coordinates of point Q is going to be 4, 1, 1.